Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Streak Daily. In today's video, we are going to solve the problem of the day of Geeks for Geeks. So it's 18th of October. So here we have the problem titled single number, and it's an easy problem. It was asked in Amazon already. So let's see the problem description. Here we have an array of positive integers where every element appears even times except for 1. Find that number occurring an odd number of times. So here we have an array 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. So here the element which occurs odd number of times is 2, right? So we have another array 8, 8, 7, 7, 6, 6 and 1. So in this all elements appear twice except for 1. So the time complexity given is order of 1 and the auxiliary space is given as order of 1, right? So instead of using complicated techniques, we'll be using a basic operation, the bit to XOR bitwise operation only. So here these kind of problems often comes up in coding interviews because it tests your understanding of bitwise operations. The key here is to solve this problem efficiently, right? We need to find that odd occurring number in just order of n time complexity with order of 1 extra space. All right. Now, before diving into solving of the problem, we'll talk about the XOR operation, right? XOR stands for exclusive OR, and it's a bitwise operator that compares two bits. I'll tell you why it is super useful for this problem, because if you know XOR any number with itself, you will get 0. Like I'll tell you now. So if you just make a 3 XOR 3, the result will always be 0. That is X XOR with, like I will say A XOR with B, the result will be something. But A XOR with A, the result will always be 0. Okay, so XOR is both commutative and associative. This means the order in which you XOR number doesn't actually matter. You can group and rearrange them in any way. Okay, so by doing the XOR operation on all the elements of the array together, all the elements that appear an even number of times will cancel each other out, leaving us with a number that occurs an odd number of times. Like if I say XOR equal to 0, for that, if I take XOR equal to 0 and if I do XOR operation like XOR operation with 3, it results with 3. But if you take 3 XOR with 3, it always results 0. Okay, so here we have the array with the elements 1, 1, 2, 2 and 2, right? So here we have 1 twice and 2 thrice. So firstly I'll take, uh, I'm taking like XOR equals to 0, and I have to take a loop where I will perform XOR operation on all the elements of the array, right? So firstly I'll take 0, right? I mean say XOR, performing XOR operation with 1 will result 1. So next what I have to do, I have to perform XOR operation of 1 with 1, which will result in 0. Okay, so this one is the result of this operation. Okay, so here the two ones are completed. Now I have the result 0. The next element is 2 in the array, right? So 0 XOR operation with 2 will result in 2, right? We have the first two completed. Now we are going to perform the XOR operation on the second two. Okay, so now here with the result obtained above 2 XOR operation with the second 2, the answer will always be 0, right? And next we have the operation 0 XOR with 2. The result is 2. So in this manner we are going to solve the problem today. Okay, right. Now we'll just reset this code and we'll try to solve the problem here. So I'm taking result equals to 0, right? I'm taking a result equal to 0, and for num in array, what I'm doing, I'm just making a result XOR operation with num. That's it. What I have to do? Return the result. That's it. That's the code. Damn, it's just four lines of code and you perform a particular XOR operation and boom, you see your output's correct. Okay, so let me submit the code and check. You see, all the test cases are passed and the time taken is just 0.28 seconds. You hardly need just 1 minute of time to write this code. And if you have a clear understanding of the bitwise operations, then you will just need hardly 1 minute of time to just complete this code. And I'll explain what we have done. We have initialized a variable called result to 0, and this will store our XOR result. Next, we loop through each element or each number in the array and we XOR it with the current value of the result. After the loop, result will hold the number that appears an odd number of times because all the even occurring numbers will cancel out to 0. Okay. Finally, we'll return the value of result, which is the number we are looking for. Okay. So it's very neat, right? With XOR, you can solve this problem in just order of n time complexity with order of one space complexity. Like it's an elegant and efficient solution to what initially seems like a tricky problem. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to CodeStreak Daily for these kind of solutions. And if you want to keep your streak in both Geek for Geeks as well as in Lead Code, do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get the daily updates of solving these kind of problems. And if you have any suggestions, please do put that in the comments. And if you have any other type or any other idea to solve this problem, please do put that in the comment of this video. I'll surely check on that. This was my way of approach to solve this problem, and if you have a different kind of approach, please do put that in the comment. I'll surely check on that. And thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Keep streaking.